There's a fucking bug annoying the fuck out. God, I truly feel free right now. Yeah. Did that. It was somewhat hard, but fuck. Fuck. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it.